Hello! Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons, Basic English Lesson, Introduction to Vocabulary and Simple Sentences. Lesson Objectives: Learn basic vocabulary words. Understand how to form simple sentences. Practice using vocabulary in sentences. 1. Vocabulary words. Common nouns. Cat, a small domestic animal. Dog, a loyal pet, often called man's best friend. Book, something you read. House, a place where people live. Car, a vehicle used for transportation. Common verbs. Run, to move quickly on foot. Eat, to consume food. Read, to look at and understand written words. Write, to form letters or words on a surface. Sleep, to rest your body and mind. Common adjectives. Big, large in size. Small, little in size. Happy, feeling good or joyful. Sad, feeling unhappy or down. Fast, moving quickly. 2. Forming simple sentences. A simple sentence usually has a subject, who or what the sentence is about, and a verb, what the subject does. Sentence structure. Subject plus verb plus object. Example: the cat. Subject: eats. Verb: food. Object: subject plus verb plus adjective. Example: the dog. Subject: is. Verb: big. Adjective. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.